Hi, my name is Vikram. I'm a paediatrician and a senior lecturer in health management. I'm also the founder and CEO of Consultmed. So Consultmed is a user-friendly and integrated digital referral platform that directly connects GPs and other primary care providers with specialists and hospitals. So what the platform allows you to do is to send referrals digitally. It allows secure exchange of health information. It allows appointments to be scheduled, and it also allows referral tracking, so both patients and providers are kept in the loop. So the idea behind Consultmed comes from my own experiences working as a paediatrician. So for many of my patients, when they're referred from a GP to see a specialist, that referral usually comes via paper. Sometimes it's even hand delivered on the day, or it comes via fax. And that referral is often missing useful clinical information, or it may be misplaced or lost. And the problem with that is that it can affect patients receiving timely and appropriate care. So we partnered with Kiratech in order to digitise those manual steps that are involved with processing paper referrals. So with Kiratech's agile sprints, each of those steps were digitised, and that means we've now developed Consultmed, which directly connects primary care providers with specialists and hospital clinics. So I guess the advantage of Kiratech is that it's a full studio, and a one-stop shop for everything. So you have your developers, you have the design team, you have the project management team, and together they can take you from that idea straight to the end product, which for me was really useful, having thought of the need to digitise referrals, but then not really knowing where to start with that. And then I think on the other side, having developed our MVP with them, I know that the actual product is very high quality, and certainly from the feedback that we've had from our users, they've been really happy with the user experience, with the design of the product, and also how it works. So really happy with the experience that we've had with Kiratech. I've really enjoyed working with Richard as a principal consultant to Consultmed. So he's helped us from a business point of view, R&D, technical expertise, and as a startup, he's also really helped in that commercialization pathway as well.